So let's do live streaming regarding some information and knowledge regarding kidney malfunction or kidney malfunction, epidemiology. Okay, so we have how to prevent kidney malfunction. How to prevent kidney malfunction. Or shall we say renal, right? Renal malfunction. Renal malfunction. Okay. Ganun siya. Hindi kita. Hindi ba kita? Hindi maklaro. Hindi maklaro, guys. Yan. Hindi maklaro. Hindi maklaro. Okay. So the first thing to do is ito kaya siya. To discuss two types of protein. Okay, these are protein actually. If these types of protein will be above to its normal range, okay, when you do the medical examination or medical results, then problem for your kidney. Okay, so actually, if it is too much high, there's two protein. So the first two proteins, right? The first will be creatinine. So creatinine. Creatinine can be produced by muscles and protein metabolism. Okay, metabolism meaning could either be a catabolism and anabolism. But if we mean about metabolism, it is understood that it is catabolism, the breakdown of larger molecules to smaller molecules. So the larger molecules will be coming from the macromolecules. Could it be a fats, nucleic acids, proteins, carbohydrates. And it will be converted to a smaller molecules that could be the waste products of any kind that could be excreted from our body through urine, through feces, F-E-C-E-S, the stool, right? Or the bowel movement. Okay, removal of human wastes, something like that. Okay? So basically these are the waste products of the muscles, this creatinine. So we need to say, we need really to remove this creatinine so that it will never stuck to our blood. Okay? Something like that. And the level of this creatinine is 5 milligrams deciliter. Okay? There are two units actually in the declaration of our medical research. The other one is millimoles per liter. Right? So how can we do this? Okay, we convert this one because it's 2 units actually. But just try to see your medical results or medical certificates if it's expressed in milligrams per deciliter or else millimoles per liter. So let's try to convert this one, ha? Okay? So, So, hello? 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 What's this?
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Hello? Hello? Okay. Now, 5 milligrams. Okay. Per deciliter. Makita? Ay, kailang blow kung ito klaro. Okay. Milligrams. Okay. Ganon. So, milligram. 1 milligram is equals to 10 to the negative 3. Okay. Like that. Gram. Right? 10 to the negative 3 milligram, just like milliliters. Okay, like that. So cancel the milligram. What's with this deciliters? Okay, so 10 to the negative 1, okay, liter is equals to 1 deciliter. Cancel the liter, sorry, balik siya. So, ganun siya. So, 1 deciliter, 10 times negative 1, okay, liter. Cancel the deciliter, and then grams per liter. Now, consider the molecular weight of creatinine. What is the formula of creatinine? Okay. Actually, this creatinine, don't be confused, this is a protein, huh? This is really a protein that produced by the muscles. Okay? So waste products produced by the muscles. This is basically a protein. So it should be regulated to at least 5 milligrams per deciliter, and we need to compute in terms of millimoles per liter. Okay, so we have the formula of creatinine, C4, 4 atoms of carbon. Okay, 7 atoms of hydrogen. Okay, 3 atoms of nitrogen. Okay, and then oxygen. Like that. 4, 7, 3, and 3, O. Ganon. Okay? So 4, 7, and 3, O. This is the creatinine. So what is the molecular weight for this one? Okay. So 4 times 12 is equals to 48. 7 times 1.008 is equals to ilan siya? Calculator please. Okay. Because you need to know this, guys, because some will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the amount of your creatinine? And then sometimes the doctor will say 5, 4, 3, 2. And this is expressed in millimoles per liter, not the milligrams per deciliter. And usually you don't mention that unit because they are not engineers. Usually, just like the blood pressure, they will never mention the millimeters mercury unit of the blood pressure. Okay? More actually, they mention a unit. Okay? It means that 120 over 80, but actually that is 120 mmHg or millimeters mercury. Okay? Systolic over 80 millimeters mercury diastolic. Okay? Ganon. Same na siya. Creatinine 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ganon. Okay, I find out what is the value in terms of milligrams per liter. So, mga itong formula sa creatinine. Okay, we'll look at wala ko yung libro sa chemistry, and I have to go and search the molecular weight from the libro. Tapos compute, okay, bago ko sa formula. Okay, 7 times 1.008. Okay. Okay, wait for a while. So 48 is 7 times 1.008 is equals to 7.056. 7.056. And then nitrogen 3. Kaloka. Nitrogen 3 times 14, right? So 14 times 3 is equals to 39, and oxygen 16. Oxygen is simply 16. So adding mo siya. So 48 plus 7 7.056 40. Palimutan ang microphone ni Ari eh. Kapulisig na nila sa microphone. 48 wait guys, 48 plus 7.056 plus 39 plus 16 equals to 110.056. The molecular weight of creatinine, grams per mole. Now I will check this to the Google search if it is correct or not in the online information, because I don't know if it's correct or not. Really. Okay, that's only what I remember, the formula of creatinine. Okay. So, molecular weight of creatinine. So if the molecular weight of creatinine is not under 10 milli, my formula is wrong. Okay. Okay, ganun siya. Creatinine. Creatinine. Molecular weight. Molecular weight. Oh my gosh. Okay, sakto siya guys. Okay. Bukod na siya, 113 or 110. Pero let's just use the 113. Actually, somewhere on that point, okay, point something. If you try to accumulate that one, there's a difference also. Actually, in the Google search, 113, but I computed is 110, 56, round up 111, there's still point something. At least do na siya. Okay, 113. Okay, multiply this 113 to this value here. Makita ninyo guys. O ganan. So, okay, so this is grams per liter. So this is 113 grams per mole. Baliktad siya para makasil ang grams. Now, millimoles per liter. Liter is correct already with the liter here, so millimole, so 1 millimole, okay? So 10 to the negative 3, this is millimole. So this is 1 millimole. Cancel the mole, what will be left is millimole per liter. Liter here, denominator, millimole here, numerator. Okay? So, compute. Okay? My gosh. Okay, 10 exponent of 1 negative. Okay? Times 113 equals 2 times, okay, 1 exponent to the, okay, it's 1 ako. 1, 10 exponent negative 1 times 113. So 2 times 10 exponent negative 3 is equals to 1.13. Therefore, 1.13 na siya. Then 10 to the exponent to the negative 3 is equals to times 5 divided by 1.13. So 0.04 millimole, something like that, okay? 0.03 millimole, something like that. Because very small also work with the grams. Let's say, for example, I have in the level of sugar, right? For the sugar, and then 249 to, let's say, 199 milligrams per deciliter to 250, something like that. Okay, because it is for the diabetic already. So the 250 is equivalent to 11.1 millimole, but that's large, right? 150. So it's reasonable, but it's also 5 point something like it's sharp. Okay, with 0.4, like this, like that. Okay? And then, so make sure that your level of creatinine will not more than 5 milligrams per deciliter to your medical results. Okay, what are the sources of food? and the increase of this creatinine. Okay, these are due to the eating of too much animal protein. Animal protein, the red meat, like any kind of meat. Okay, saturated fatty acids, saturated fatty fats, it contains level of creatinine. Okay, then if it will not be digested, okay, in our liver, like that. For example, the role or the function of the liver is to filter the creatinine, this kind of protein, from our blood. Okay, from our blood. And then after that, it will be excreted or removed to the urine, to the urine. So that's why the doctor will get the sample of urine, okay, to determine how much level of your creatinine. Okay, it's not the blood but your urine. But the creatinine is from the blood filtered by the liver. Okay, you get the point? Something like that. So the symptoms will be easy to detect. For example, there's on the right abdominal pain, upper right abdominal pain here. It's very painful, just like a needle. You will be, penetrated by a needle. And then also the upper right side of your chest, like that. So that's an indication that you have a higher level of creatinine. So if you have a level higher creatinine above 5 milligrams per deciliter, so this can cause, again, kidney malfunction and renal malfunction. Get the point? So meaning to say, your catabolism or your metabolism of your waste products from your muscles are very weak and slow because of the presence of creatinine. Okay? Something like that. Get the point? So it's gonna be like that, the synthesis of the muscles and the protein metabolism. Ganon. Okay? So ano yung formula, guys? Okay? 5 milligrams per deciliter, 0.004 millimoles per liter, something like that. So this is basically a protein. Okay? Any questions so far? Okay? So thank you so much for watching this live stream about creatinine. Higher level of creatinine, about 5 milligrams per deciliter, can cause kidney malfunction and renal malfunction. Something like that. Okay, so we need to take care of our health, especially our kidneys, something like that. Okay? Thank you so much. You can subscribe to my channel if you like, and then you can click the notification bell for some news updates and the same channel for us. Bye bye, God bless everybody.